I want to just show y'all how to do this is a how-to for the journal pages. So we have a weekly journal. Within this journal, you can do a weekly journal and a daily journal. So this is what the daily journal looks like. Let me just open up an entry so you all can see it. This is what the daily journal looks like. Kind of just walks you through some prompts on how to do a daily journal and what to capture and what to take note of. And over here on the spreadsheet, once you do this, once you create one using this button, it will record like what day of the week. You can record what day of the week, what month it is, what's the date on this journal. And then this is how you're going to capture your weekly journal efforts digitally using Notion. You can come in here and this is what the weekly one will look like. It'll have a month and a date, and you click this button. It's going to take you to what the weekly looks like and just some prompts on that you can fill out here for your weekly. You can do an end of the week check-in. You could do expectations and reflections. You could do Sunday, beginning of the week check-in, Friday, end of the week check-in. And this is your weekly journal. You're going to fill out your date here. And like I said, you can capture your date and month. This is how you close this. And then again, this is how you're going to go back to your dashboard after either doing a weekly or a daily template.